Thank you guys. Glad I'm in TV. Thank you.
And Debbie, right here.
And then we're gonna ring a bell up and the center guy.
2 days or something before the trailer launched, a friend and I were in conversation. She said about something unrelated, the size of the reaction is the size of the wound. So I think it was incredibly eye-opening to understand how many people this touched and how many people are concerned about this topic, which is so important to us, obviously, so much so that we folded it deeply into the DNA of the show.
I think thematically one of the things that's so deeply embedded in the show is trying to get right with what is. It's really trying to accept and love what actually is. So for my money, if I'm going to live into the message of the show, the trailer is what it is, and it did exactly what it needed to do by starting a conversation around the issues.